January has been a month of momentum across campus with progress happening both inside our buildings and out on site. This is your January construction update for North Penn High School. With township approval secured, bid phase 2 officially moved forward. Crews mobilized quickly, completing tree removal, erosion control, and ground stabilization next to the bus garage and radio tower sites. New construction entrances were added, sediment basin evacuation began along Sumney Town Pike, and courtyard work continued with safe, clearly marked walkways for students. Underground fiber work also started, setting the stage for future technology upgrades. Inside the natatorium, January focused on finishing punch list items. Outstanding locker room finishes were completed. Rooftop HVAC units have been fully energized, and water flow issues in the pool systems were resolved. Crews completed epoxy coatings, paint touch-ups, and detailed cleaning. In K-Pod, progress was visible across all floors. Classes have been in session, and punch list items for third floor continue. On the second floor, painting, wall prep, window replacements, lighting, plumbing, and sprinkler work moved the project firmly into being ready for the finishing phase. Mechanical and electrical teams continue preparing systems for final connections and emergency power integration. January brought steady, meaningful progress campus-wide, from site preparation to interior finishes. Each milestone moves us closer to delivering safe, modern, and fully functional spaces for students and staff.